Would you like to know how I created this Barbie-inspired ombre design? Then be sure to check out this tutorial. First, we apply the base coat and base powder as the initial layer to protect the nail from discoloration. For the design, I used our colors Barbie Girl and After Party as well as our brushes. They are perfect for achieving an ombre look. Now we apply another layer of base coat. Next, we dip the brushes generously into the Barbie Girl color and gently dip it over half of the nail using tapping motions. We repeat the same process with the After Party color. Make sure to have plenty of color on the brush and tap off the excess before applying it to the nail. Remove any remaining residue with the brush and repeat the entire process for a better ombre effect. To preserve the color during filling, we apply a layer of base coat and base powder at the end. Apply the activator and let it cure for 2 minutes. Now you can shape the nails and even out the surface with a buffer. Next, I apply the activator once again and seal everything with 2 coats of top coat after it dries. Treat your cuticles with some nail oil for the final touch of care. And this is the result. I hope you enjoyed it and you're in the Barbie mood too. Thank you for watching and have fun trying it out.